Hello guys, this is your boy Jackpack Connect. As you may know, we've been discussing on a series how to use visiting visa to get a green card. So this is the third episode of that particular series, and today we'll be talking about some of the acronyms that we made mention on the previous video, like STEM, and also explaining in details what we mean by using school routes. So let's go into details. First, what is the full meaning of STEM? The full meaning of STEM means science, technology, engineering, and management. That is the full meaning of STEM. And also, what we mean by using your visiting visa to go into your school route is this. You know, your main purpose before leaving your country was to go for a tourism, for visits, to visit the environment, breathe in fresh air. But there is always thing that you must know, which is change. Change is constant in life. Nothing can change it. If there is no change, there is no progress. But when there is change, there is progress. So the government does not have any law that says that when you travel, you cannot. So the American government does not have any law that says that change is not constant. You understand? So change is constant in life. So there's always an opportunity that when you go for a visit, and for example, you are opportune to discuss with somebody doing maybe his degree or master's degree or maybe PhD in Alliance International University. I know, seeing the person telling you stories, explaining the details, how the policy work in the school, and that might interest you to like say, oh, I think I was planning on doing my PhD before. I think this is now the right time for me to do it. You can do it. Or maybe you might say, okay, maybe during the means of your visit, you are opportune to visit the Alliance International University. You getting there, you find out that, whoa, I think I love my department. This was what I was looking for in order for me to progress in my career. You can use that opportunity to meet. You can always use that opportunity to switch. And let me explain it in detail. Most people can say, what kind of courses can I choose that will enable me to go this? Most people are fond of kind of saying, I think I am a banker, but now I'm in the US. I can use my nursing because nursing is more fast. It doesn't really work that way. There are a lot of courses under your feet that is under STEM that can give you your green card. For example, let me give you an example so that you understand what I mean. So that you also know that it is not only medical sector that can give you green card through your school. Now, for example, we have data analytics, we have business analysts, we have project management, we have mechanical engineering, we have many of them that is under STEM, that when you graduate, you secure a job, your green card is there. So I want you guys, you want to go through this means of using through school, make sure you do your proper homework. Most people will say, oh, I did the same thing, but I was unable to get admission. I was unable to get a job. I was unable to get my green card. First of all, the question is the course you studied. What was the course? Is it a selling course? Is it a course that is in demand? Data analyst is really in demand. If this is what you've done in degree, or maybe this is what you feel you want to progress on in your career, it is an opportunity for you. So that is what I mean, that you can always use your visiting visa to migrate and get your green card through education. So imagine you get this, and at the end of the day, you are able to go through your data analyst, you graduated, or maybe business analyst, and you graduated with a flying color. Definitely there's a job there waiting for you, because there's a lot of demand of people. There are a lot of industries, there are a lot of business looking for people. So if you can do this, automatically the green card is yours. Also, very important, very important, make sure before you switch with any of the means I have mentioned in the past, make sure that your visiting visa is still valid. Make sure you did not commit any crime. Make sure you obeyed all the rules and regulations. And peradventure, maybe your visiting visa is not, you don't still have enough space for you to be able to work on the admission, get your admission and all that. There is always an opportunity for you to extend your visiting visa genuinely, not by lying. If you meet the government, explaining to them, giving them in details, giving them a proper reason, definitely they will extend your visa for you. And before you know it, you've gotten your admission, you've already switched to your student visa. And with that, it's already a fast track for you to get your green card. Remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also give us a thumbs up and comment. For all these things are what that motivate us in doing such video for you. Doing video for your friend like this. If you don't give us a thumbs up, it doesn't motivate. It doesn't make us feel like you need it. It doesn't make us feel like you want it. So when you give us a thumbs up and comment and subscribe, it motivates us. Thank you for watching.